Tanong ako anong song mo na nakanta na, part of any of your albums, ang masasabi mong na-experience mo na as far as making love is concerned?
Siguro, Break It To Me Gently.
Break It To Me Gently. Talaga?
Ikaw, kung maliligaw ka ngayon, ano yung song na talagang isang ganon pag kinanta mo, sasalutin ka ng girl ala?
And the world is cold. I would feel it glow just thinking of you. Just the way you look tonight.
Tapatan mo yan, OJ. Mahigit pa dyan.
Ganda. Alam mo bakit? Dahil yung babae, kaagad siya yayakapin kasi lalamig yun. Di ba?
Last request kay Mark, the song that says, I appreciate you so much because of you, parang
I have
gumanda
become better.
ang life ko at gumanda din ang pagkatao ko.
You, siguro, you give me hope. Iba to. The strength, the will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this same. And only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe eternal time. You make me feel real good inside.
Sumisenyos ako sa kanya na parang lyrics.
Ang sarap maging singer.
Yung album ko lalabas by June, first week ng June.
Ay,
Bago. So,
balik ka.
Okay,
invite po ako. And June 15, Singapore with Sarah Geronimo.
Oh, London na, Singapore ba?
Mga singers
Ay ka?
travel pa.